How to change your email address on PayPal. Are you guys facing issue to change your email address on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the PayPal, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just simply tap on personal info. After you click on it, you can see the option for emails over here. Tap on it. Now click on edit. Now write down the email according to your preference. Once you write it down, click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, your email will be changed. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to change our email on PayPal application. If you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.